Hi guys, welcome to Smartphone Shopping. This is AGM X3 IP68 lock smartphone. Now, let's go into unboxing AGM X3 lock smartphone and review it. As we know, it is a 6-inch FHD Plus 5 generation Corning Gorilla Glass, and its resolution is 2160 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 AIE octa-core 2.8 GHz, and it have 3 cameras. Front camera is 20 megapixel. Rear camera primary camera is 12 megapixel f1.8 pixel. Secondary camera is 24 megapixel, and its operating system is Google Android 8.1, and its battery built-in is 4100 mAh battery, non-removable, supports quick charge and wireless charging, and it supports face unlock, fingerprint, NFC Envrionment Sensor, detection of temperature and humidity and air pressure, and FDD LTE global connectivity. Support and it supports dual nano SIM cards. Also, AGM X3 have 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM version to choose. We are the official distributor. We are the official wholesaler of AGM X3 lock smartphone. So let's go into unboxing it and review the phone. A GB RAM, 256GB. Supports 128GB MicroSD card. Support GPS, 8GPS, GLONASS, BDS, wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, OTG, USB Type-C. Here is Type-C USB port. License agreement. Here are all the language menus support. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. One piece jet pen. Here's AGM menu. One piece of Euro charger. One piece Type-C USB cable. One piece headphone to Type-C adapter. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Follow us in Facebook pages and Instagram pages. We make videos only for we speak for ourselves. We make videos only for our company online store selling and B2B wholesaling, and we send from China warehouse or Hong Kong warehouse. Global sending, so we have the price advantage. We had a very good price for the AGM X3. Please, any questions you can contact with us. We are 24 hours service. Thank you for your watching.